What if humans tried living on Europa, Jupiter's mysterious icy moon, a world so extreme it could either kill us instantly or become the first place where we discover alien life? This is what life on Europa would actually look like. The moment you land, the first thing you feel is silence. No wind, no sound, just endless frozen emptiness. The temperature is minus 160 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze metal, electronics, even space-grade materials in minutes. Your suit becomes your only lifeline, because outside, even breathing the air is impossible. There is no air. Europa has almost zero atmosphere. As you step forward, the ground doesn't feel like land. It feels like standing on cracked glass. Giant ice plains stretch for thousands of miles, splitting into deep blue fractures that disappear into blackness. Above you, Jupiter fills half the sky, a swirling giant of storms, lightning arcs, and deadly radiation. It never sets. It never moves. Europa is locked to it forever. If humans ever lived on Europa, they wouldn't live on the surface. The radiation from Jupiter would kill anyone within hours. The only option is to live inside the ice. Massive heated bases would be carved deep underground, hundreds of feet below the frozen crust. Not for comfort, but for survival. Inside these ice chambers, machines would melt and recycle water, generate oxygen, and create tiny artificial climates that feel like Earth. Homes, labs, sleeping pods, farming rooms, everything would be surrounded by walls of blue ice. The deeper you go, the safer you are. The thick ice acts as a natural shield, protecting humans from Jupiter's deadly radiation belts. Life here would feel like living inside a glowing frozen cave, silent, isolated, almost peaceful, until you remember what lies below. Below Europa's surface, scientists believe there is a global ocean, bigger than all of Earth's oceans combined. Imagine that, a dark, endless sea stretching around the entire moon. To reach it, humans would need to drill through 10 to 20 miles of ice, a project so massive that only robotic submarines could do it. Once the drill breaks through, an entire alien ocean opens beneath your feet, a place no sunlight has touched in billions of years. But something else might be there. On Earth, the deepest parts of our ocean contain hydrothermal vents. These underwater volcanoes release heat and minerals, and around them, life thrives without sunlight. Giant worms, strange bacteria, creatures glowing in the dark. If Europa has similar vents, and evidence strongly suggests it does, then simple alien life may already exist. Not humanoids, not monsters, but tiny organisms, microbes, maybe small aquatic creatures that evolved in complete darkness. Finding just one of them would change human history forever. It would prove that life isn't rare, it's everywhere. But living on Europa wouldn't be peaceful. The ice shell constantly cracks from Jupiter's gravity, creating massive quakes called tidal flexing. You could be sleeping in your ice habitat and suddenly hear the entire moon groaning, like the sound of an iceberg splitting. Surface eruptions could shoot geysers hundreds of miles high, throwing ice into space. Any mission here would always be on the edge of danger. So why take the risk? Why would humans ever choose this frozen, hostile world? Because Europa might be the closest thing to life beyond Earth. Not in some far galaxy, not thousands of light years away, but right here in our own solar system. If we find life in Europa's ocean, even the smallest microbe, it means life can exist anywhere. It means the universe is full of living worlds. It means we are not alone. Europa wouldn't just be a home. It would be humanity's greatest discovery. So here's the question. If you had the chance to step onto Europa, to be part of the first humans to search for alien life, would you go?